This is the famous Fam Crassi Viaduct. It's part of the Deaf Railway. Whoa. And part of the bridge. Oh, the Deaf Railway, the bridge over the River Kwai. That is the River Kwai to my left. And I'm walking cautiously. Because believe it or not, I do not enjoy. Oh, I do enjoy and I don't enjoy this journey. So bear with me. As we can see, if we'll get to the very end of this viaduct before the train behind me run me over. Oh. Many years ago, sorry to disturb your peacefulness, there wasn't steel runners along the middle here. No, there wasn't. They were wood, and a lot of them were broken and not nailed down. It is good that they are now replaced with a steel walkway, but it could probably do with being nailed down a bit. Oh, just a thought. Oh. Oh. So, for one, I do not like heights, and for two, I have a fear of bridges. Oh, and there's ages to go. This is a long walk. It looks longer now than what I ever thought it was. Whoa. And it is, I'm starting to speed up a bit, guys, because the train is fast approaching. 11:30 it's meant to come across this area, and 8:30, as both trains, the 7:30 and the 10:30, leave from Kanchanaburi at the bridge over the River Kwai station. Man, this is horrible. Wow. And I can feel the wind picking up. Oh, it's horrible. I will not be walking this section on the way back. No, I'll be taking the snake trail. Oh, down the bottom. Whew. All right, we've got to have a little bit of peace and quiet by the looks of things. Before we hit the next bridge section. Oh, solid ground. Where these people are now leaving, coming back, I'm thinking I may have missed the train. It may have came across at 11. No. I'll find out when I get there.
Any good that way?
For what?
To see.
Well, I think the train comes at 11:30.
Oh, they told me 12.
12, is it? Ah, I thought it was 11:30. Okay, cool. 12 is good. I've got plenty of time.
Yeah, me too.
There's nothing to see that way, buddy. No, nothing.
Okay. That's
the only
what I wanted to know.
is the resort up on the right.
I don't know.
Oh, that's wicked. If you walk to the end of the viaduct on the right-hand side, it's a beautiful landscape resort.
How far? 10 minutes?
Yeah, literally 5-10 minutes. The end of this railway. But then you'll have to come back quickly before the train comes.
Before the train comes. Yeah.
I want to drink and get some food and.
Yeah.
So, oh man, it comes at 12 o'clock, not 11:30.
But who knows?
Yeah, who knows?
Yeah.
Who knows?
It's not 12, maybe 11:30. I bet it will be 11:45.
I think because it leaves Kanchanaburi at 10:30, and it roughly takes an hour. I know when I've filmed the 7:30, and then I've got here and I've managed to get it here at 8:30. So yeah, maybe half 11, 12.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Cheers, buddy. Have a good day. Cheers. Daunting bit of bridge. This bridge is a bit higher, this section. Oh man. The beautiful sandstone to my right is awesome. And we will go in to the Grassy Cave. Whoa. Boom. Whoa. It's a roadblock. As here, you can veer off to your right, just here, whew, and avoid that last section. And nip in to the Grassy Cave. Cat's having a row. Ooh. Typical tight cave with a Buddha stuck in it. Wow, now at the end, oh, this is the stop. Your old box, and here, if it's not overgrown too much, is where I like to go down and do my film work. Wow, the bridge from that angle, from down there. But before I go and do that, I've got a little bit of time on my hands. I hope. What has happened over the years, they've built a whole market place. Whole Tommy tourist marketplace. It goes on and on and on, where you can buy your touristic items at about 50% more. Oh man, wow man, look at all this, guys. You grow all this yourself?
Failed.
Yeah, I can see it's all rank, man.
Yeah, this.
Yeah, not good. Wrong colour. Oh man, look, you you buy all this stuff. Oh man, so much. Okay, having a quick look so you can see where I've just walked. Plus, looks so much better from here, right? How good does this look? It's a fantastic. It's probably better to walk back the other way. Oh mate, do you know what? Let's just have a look on the little viewing spot right here. This is where they like you to come. Oh man, to get your photos and stuff. That is really good. Beautiful area, beautiful spot.